Hi, I'm Elad from Synbio Shield, and thank you for joining me on this video today, where I'm going to show you how to use your Synbio Air Guard device. Now, the Synbio Air Guard contains our synbiotics, which is the good bacteria probiotics, combined with the prebiotics, what we spoke about in the other video. So when it sprays the synbiotics into the air every 2 hours, it doesn't discriminate on which surface it lands. By doing so, it's installing a healthy microbiome on the surfaces, including when we inhale them, which protects us against harmful microorganisms when we breathe. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the device and what scenarios you might encounter over time, because the device will last you, once it's fully charged up, for 45 to 60 days of battery, which is rechargeable. And the same with the refill that you have on top, that would last you between 45 to 60 days of usage when it's spraying every 2 hours. Now, let's take a box and open it up. So what you have inside is the instructions in different languages, a little leaflet, and you have the Air Guard unit, the refill bottle, the stand that you can either stick to the wall using the adhesive stickers that you get, or you can screw it, and you have the cable to charge it. Now, the cable can actually charge the unit either continuously, because you have the slot here, or as and when you can just take it out if it's mounted to the wall and charge it in the charging station and then put it back when it's ready. Okay? In order to connect them together, you have a sealant. This sealant has to be removed in its entirety. So use a little key to puncture it and then remove it. There we go. So you don't want to tip this over, because otherwise you would spill the liquid. So you take the device and you screw it on top and you're good to go. Okay, so you'll place it inside the stand. You only need to press the on button, and then as you can see, it will start spraying the liquid. That's all you need to do. You don't need to touch the timer. You don't need to touch anything else. The first time you turn it on and you press the on button, it's going to spray for approximately 30 seconds. This is absolutely normal. And then after that, it's going onto its own internal timer where it's going to spray the synbiotics every 2 hours. Automatically, you don't have to touch or do anything else. Now, there's 3 different light modes. First one is when it's flashing green. That means that everything is working fine. So if you ever hear this beeping noise and you go to it and you see that the blue light is flashing, that means that you run out of liquid and you need to change it. If you hear that beeping noise and you see the red light flashing, then that means you need to charge the unit. What we recommend is every few months to check the device, even though if it's flashing green. Okay, so it might be sometimes that the liquid is blocking the exit. Just give it a little cleanup with that, and then it would spray it as normal. Just use a little ear tip to clean gently.